Ruhongerwa na Kadaru rauga gĩtarũ kĩa ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri kĩrĩa gĩkuĩte kaunti cia Kakamega, Bungoma na Vihiga gatagatĩ wa Ingĩ nĩcio itongoretie harĩ wendia na ũhũthĩri wa njohi itarĩ njĩtĩkĩrie. Kũratuĩka arugi a njohi cia ũndũire ta busaa na chang'aa rĩu nĩo mararuga na kwendia njohi icio marĩ na marũa kuma kũrĩ thirikari cia kaunti.
But in terms of chang'aa and traditional stuff, they are leading and by far. And therefore, we have shared these facts with the regional security team and the county security team. And really it's up to them to see how they can stop this. And we encourage them to increase on public education and awareness on these issues. But the weak link is the county government. And I wanted to speak to the county government by telling them that the constitution has devolved land drug control and licensing of premises for sale of alcohol to the counties. We expect them that they ring fence money raised from revenues generated by licenses.
Ruhonge rũrũ rũrauga gĩcigo gĩa gatagatĩ wa bũrũri nĩkĩo kĩratũire gĩtongoretie harĩ ũrugi na ũnyui wa njohi icio. Rĩu maobitha a ũgitĩri makĩũrio matige kunĩra mbara ya njohi icio ritho iria cianangĩte mĩtũrĩre ya Ingĩ.
Western is a very badly affected region in Kenya. In fact, they have taken over from central Kenya, which some years back used to be the lead in terms of chang'aa, in terms of traditional liquor.
A bar is operating without a license from the legal licensing court. That is an illegality which must be addressed, and we have discussed with our regional teams, the county teams, sub-county teams, so that this issue is addressed, because it's a problem which has been allowed to run for a long time. So we have to correct the mistakes which have been there. And I want to thank Nakada for coming and supporting us. There is a directive from the government.
Ũnyui wa ndawa cia kũrebia onaguo nĩ wandĩkithĩtio gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ, thirikari ĩkĩhinyĩrĩrio kũgathĩka ceceni cia kũrigita arĩa matoretio na kwambĩrĩria gĩthomo gĩa kũhĩta andũ anini.
To support the prevention programs among their people, and indeed to also put up rehabilitation facilities for those of their people who are affected. We have seen very little. We have encouraged by a few counties, about 10 we have worked together to put up these facilities, but the majority of them are not even investing in this. And I want to speak to the counties that the war against drug abuse in the country can't be won unless they come out actively to participate in this.
Riboti ĩno ĩrekereirio mũcemanio-inĩ wa makomishona na macibũ arĩa meranĩire matikũrekia karũrigi ga gũcokia rũĩ mũkaro. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.